Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be solving exercise 1.1 of rational numbers, NCERT maths of grade 8. So the first question, first part is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So we can divide the question, or we can say grouping, or like this, because we can take then 3 by 5 common. So we can take 3 by 5 common here, minus 2 by 3, and here the minus will go to 1 by 6, so it will be minus 1 by 6, and the plus 5 by 2 here, which equals to 3 by 5, and we can take the denominator over here as 6, minus 4 minus 1 plus 5 by 2, which equals to 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2, which equals to 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 5 into 6 30, plus 5 by 2. We can simplify it as minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which equals to 4 by 2, which equals to 2. Now the second subpart is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 in minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Here we can take 2 by 5 common, similarly by grouping. So we can take 2 by 5 here, and minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2, which equals to 2 by 5 into, you can take here 14, so into 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus here twice, it will be minus 1 by 4, which equals to 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4, which equals to 2 by 5 into minus 5 minus 10 by 70, which equals to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4, which equals to, we can take common 28 denominator, and minus 4 minus 7 equals to minus 11 by 28 is the answer. Now the question 2 is to find the additive inverse of these numbers. So 2 by 8's additive inverse is just the, you have to just change the sign of the whole fraction or rational number. We can write minus 2 by 8 as the additive inverse. For minus 5 by 9, we can write it as plus 5 by 9 minus 6 by 5 equals to, because this plus minus here and minus here will cancel, so it will be plus 6 by 5, so its additive inverse will be minus 6 by 5. 2 by minus 9 equals to minus 2 by 9, so the additive inverse will be plus 2 by 9. 19 by minus 6 equals to minus 19 by 6, so the additive inverse is plus 19 by 6. The third question is to verify that minus of minus x is x. So if the first part is to find if x equals to 11 by 15, so it will be minus 11 by 15 whole minus, because here this is x minus x and minus, which equals to, we can simplify this as minus 1 into minus 11 by 15, which equals to plus 11 by 15. So therefore minus x minus equals to x proved. Actually over here we can write verified, and for here when x is equal to minus 13 by 7, we have to first, this is the base x, and when we, this is the minus over here, so this is the minus here, and again the big bracket, and this minus over here will go here, so we can write it as minus 1 bracket minus 1 bracket 13 by 17, so which equals to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 13 by 17, so which equals to this minus 1 and this minus 1 will cancel, so it will be minus 13 by 17, which is the answer. Therefore, again, minus of minus x equals to x, verified. So the fourth question is to find the multiplicative inverse of this. So these numbers, so you have all the multiplicative inverse is just the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of minus 13 is 1 by minus 13. The reciprocal of minus 13 by 19 is 19 by minus 13. 1 by 5's reciprocal will be 5, and this we have to first simplify. So it will be minus plus 15 by 56, whose reciprocal will be 56 by 15. Now minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 you have to simplify. It will be 2 by 5, whose multiplicative inverse will be 5 by 2, and minus 1's reciprocal will be minus 1 by 1, so it will become minus 1. Now the question 5 is to write the property in which these equations are given. So minus 4 by 5 into 1 equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5 equals to minus 4 by 5. So this here used is the commutative property of multiplication, and over here it is minus 13 into minus 2 by 7 equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. This is also the commutative property. And the last subpart of this question is minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 99 equals to 1. This is the multiplicative inverse. Now the sixth question is to multiply 6 by 13 with the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is 16 by minus 16 by 7. So 6 by 13 into 16 by 7 equals to minus 96. Minus 96 by 91, which equals to 1. Minus 1 5 by 91. So this is the answer. Now the seventh question is to tell what property allows you to compute the following statement. So 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. This is the distributive property. Not distributive. This is the associative property. So this is the associative property where the bracket can be opened or closed off in multiplication. So this associative property only works for multiplication. This only works for multiplication or addition. It doesn't work for subtraction or division. And the question 8 is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8, 1 by 8, why or why not? So minus 1 by 8 equals to 9 by 8 minus 9 by 8. So 8 by 9 isn't the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8, as 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8 gives minus 1. So if you want the number to be a multiplicative inverse, you should get the result as 1, not minus 1. So the ninth question is why is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3, why or why not? So 0.3 equals to 3 by 10 and 3 1 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. So yes, 3 by 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3, or actually we can, instead of, we can write this as 0.3, and over here we can write it as 3 1 by 3 according to the question. Now the question 10, we have to write the rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. It's 0. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. So one's reciprocal is 1 by 1, which is equal to 1, and minus 1 by 1, sorry, minus 1's reciprocal is minus 1 by 1, which equals to minus 1 by minus 1. So here the rational numbers are 1 and minus 1. The rational number that is equal to its negative, only 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. The 11th question is fill in the blanks. 0 has here no reciprocal. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals, 1 and minus 1. The reciprocal of minus 5 is plus 5. The reciprocal of x, where x is not equal to 0, is 1 by x. I think I got the question wrong. It should be reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0. So then it will be, answer will be x. The product of two rational numbers is always positive. The reciprocal of a positive number is, okay, the product of two rational numbers is always positive. Yeah, the reciprocal of a positive number is positive. Actually, the previous question should be rational number. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. The reciprocal of a positive number is positive. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Bye.